Nicholas. This is Jennifer Bone, one of the reference librarians here at Swick Library, and I saw your research question and I wanted to show you where I found some information that might be helpful to you. So if you go to the Swick Library webpage, which if you just go to swick.edu, you can hover over Student Services or Community and see Library in the drop-down box, and you'll land on this page. Scroll down underneath the picture and go down to the blue search widget right here where you can search for articles, books, and facts. We're going to start on the article tab, and I think the best place to go actually when I typed in your topic is going to be this Nexus Uni where it looks for newspaper articles. I went in here and I added your topic, the University Zetetic Society, and I clicked on Go. Now when you're connecting from off campus, the first screen you might get, even if you're in a computer lab, it might ask you either a username and password or what's your school, and the school will be listed over here. So just start typing in Southwestern Illinois College, and then you'll get to this screen right here where it will prompt you for your eStorm information. So it's whatever you use to log into Blackboard. Since I'm an employee, mine will be some letters instead of a number. Once I go through here, I will get a results page, and it's going to give me articles from news sources that talk about that particular society. Now in here you'll see at the top, this is what I've typed in, the Universal Zetetic Society. If you wanted to look at something else in here, you can type in Flat Earthers, because it looks like they changed their name over time. Society, if you wanted to type that in, you can change your search term right up here. Now you'll see your articles appear right here. They are full text. You can see where they were published and the date. And then to read the article, you can click directly on the link and it will open up the article for you. So here's going to be the article. It's kind of highlighting the words that you've typed into your search, so it's trying to match them for you so they know it's a good article. And then you can either print out the article, you can email it, you can download it, you can save it to the clouds right here. I always recommend the email feature just so you can have it wherever you kind of get on your email, you'll have that with you. And if you do choose to email it, you can actually email the article with the citation to you. So if you click on that Export Citation button, you can select your citation style. You can copy it to the clipboard. And then when you do the email feature, you can actually just paste it into that box right there and send the email to yourself. And then you have the article and the citation all in one spot whenever you need it. So just know that's a little tip and some way you can get that information to yourself. So that's one place where you can go. This is looking at global papers, so you'll see this one's coming from Scotland, this is Great Britain, and you'll see all of these articles are kind of trying to mention that term, but like I said, you can come up to the top and change your term in the search box at the top and search for whatever you'd like. I'm going to click the tab close for this source because I also found in the Find Facts tab, I typed in your topic. Whoops. Got the citation. Hold on. I'm going to go grab your topic from the email that you sent. Hold on just a minute. I'm going to copy and paste it and click Go. In the Find Facts tab, it's going to look in 800 reference books for your topic. So you'll see that it's coming up with 7 results. A Flat Earth Society, Brewer's Dictionary of Fays and Fable, from an astronomy book. So we can come in here and you can look at the entries right here. This one is a very short entry, but it might have some facts that you don't have, and you can see you can get your citation right from here. That's for the specific resource, and you can actually click right here to see the citation. You can print. If you want to email it to yourself, you can click the share button, send the citation, send the full text of the entry, and just fill out this information right there. So this is another source that you can use to get facts. So this is kind of like Wikipedia, but these are entries that are written by experts in the field. And I'm going to close this. And the last place I wanted to take you, I'm just going to type in Google Books. I don't know if you've used this resource before, but Google Books has been scanning pages of books and making them available, large previews, to people worldwide. I typed in your topic. I'm going to click on the search button. And then here are the resources that came up. and they're trying to match what I've typed in with what they have. This first one looked really great, but what I was looking for was a preview button, like the second one has a preview button. And then I looked a little bit further down, and it looks like this one says 2017, and that might be an ebook because the same book down here is 2015, and it does have a preview button. So if you click on the preview button, you can actually look inside this book. Sometimes you'll see the table of contents available right here, but you can also see them on this second page. Looks like these are hyperlinks that you can click to and kind of use this as a source. Now you'll see that there is a summary about this book located behind it, and there's also a button that says Create Citation. So to get to this particular page, you actually have to close the reader by clicking the X in the right-hand corner, and then you can get to this little summary page and click Create Citation, and you can actually copy and paste the MLA citation. Now, I have found that these are not always the best citations in here, so you might want to double check it, but it's a good place to start and do that because I can see from this citation right here, it's not even mentioning the article's last name right there, the author's last name. It looks like it's starting with the title, but it should have some of the pieces, and it's a start anyway. So just know that Google Books is a place where you can go, that Nexus Uni looks like a good place to go, and the Find Facts tab. So if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. We're open until 8 p.m. today, and on Friday we're open 8 to 4, but you can always reach out through email again. Good luck with your research, and I hope you get an A+ on your paper. Bye-bye.